I thought today I'd kind of do a little bit different. We spent the day, since it was warmer yesterday and today, we're dealing with a lot of mud, cow manure, and just crap that the cows are having to work their way through. So we decided to bring up my Mini and my skid steer to try to get her back down to gravel where cows can get in and get out. So I hope you can sit back and kind of enjoy just something a little different. But we've had what I call a bad winter where we didn't have any frost, and we're just making ruts, and it's hard on the animals, especially if they're in mud up to their bellies. What Claude's doing with the skid steer is he's trying to push it over the embankment, and we just keep pushing it out, and then once the ground dries up we can come in at it and actually put it in a manure spreader and spread it back onto the fields. But right now we're just trying to get it off this pad up here. This is one of the houses I built. We call it camp now. It's a 30 by 60, 4-bedroom. And with the cows up here, I haven't got to mow the yard. They take care of that. But we put a set of chains on the skid steer to give us more traction and this kind of stuff, or he'd be spinning and be pulling them out. So I figure I'm going to hop on the mini excavator and use the blade to try to push it out towards the embankment so I just get it done quicker. Main thing is we're going to try to get into the building. That's where the cows can get out of the weather, and it's about a foot and a half deep in there. We ended up losing a calf in there last week that they tried getting in out of a snowstorm, and the little guy got trampled in the mud. So I told Claude, I said we got to get it cleaned out so it's down to good gravel so the calves can move around. See how deep it is here. That's a fly bag that we hang across the door so that when the cows walk in and out during the summer, they put stuff on their backs so that the flies won't bother them. Most of the stuff that we have up here could be done with just simply the skid steer, but when you start getting into the hay packs and stuff, you need to use the mini excavator with the bucket to try to pull it apart because it's just packed right into there. The cows only eat just so much, and then the rest of it they just use to lay on to get someplace where it's dry. And right now Claude is having a tussle trying to deal with that one chunk of hay. He's getting a little bit at a time, but I'm going to see if I can help him here with the mini excavator. It's actually it's not a John Deere, it's an Airman, but we painted it John Deere yellow and put stickers on it. But I've had both pieces of equipment for quite a while. We use it for the shop and here on the farm we also hire out. We've done land clearing, putting in new driveways, topsoil, you name it, we've been into it. The thing about it with the mini excavator, you're not going to get things done very fast. If we can get all this stuff pushed off, we're supposed to start raining tonight. It'll wash the rest of it down the hill. going to take and kind of speed up the video so it gets done quicker. So I hope you enjoy.